Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Sorry it's a little windy, might be hard to hear me today, but we got a special one. This is a 2013 F-250 Platinum that was converted into an Excursion by Custom Autos by Tim. They do a lot of these trucks. They're really the kind of only guys doing it right. They do the extended 6 doors and these Excursion conversions as well. So a friend of mine bought this truck brand new, took it straight over to Custom Auto by Tim, did this conversion. Over $200,000 have been invested in this truck. It's got 150,000 miles on it. One owner, same guy. Road armor bumpers, front and back, 20,000 pound winch. You can actually control that winch from inside. It's got all the LEDs, Morimoto headlights, very expensive headlight conversions. Kelderman suspension, 8-inch. It'll lower down to 6 inches, I believe. Very expensive suspension setup. It drives like a Range Rover. It's really, really nice. Got it in the up position right now. It's got power boards, 37-inch tires, 20-inch BMF wheels. These boards pop out. Inside, we've got the bucket seats in the middle. We've got a DVD player, sunroof, rear air. Of course, you got a 3rd row seat back there as well. We've got rear air controls. These are also heated seats back here. This thing is loaded up. It's got a $20,000 sound system in it. 2 JBL speakers built into the rear doors back here. Amps underneath the back seats. A lot of other equipment, tweeters. All the speakers inside have been replaced. The full truck has been dynamatted, and underneath has been undercoated, the full chassis. Nice taillights back there. We do have a little bit of a scuff right here. A little bit of a dent right there. I'll show you on the other side. I think there was a little one over here as well, right here. As far as the body's concerned, that's the only issue. Runs straight down the road. It's got the Easy Link Auto Agent tuner on it. It's tuned and deleted, cold air intake. You can, it's got a knob inside. You can tune that thing on the fly. It's very fast. It'll spin the tires. It's got Passport 9800 built-in radar detector, jammer, laser radar. Take a look inside. Navigation, hot cold seats. There's some of your audio stuff. There's your Passport radar detector. We've got the link for your garage doors here. This is where you can control your ride height. We can lower it down. And boom, it goes down. Mileage 149, 171 right there. This was a fully loaded Platinum truck. We still have the original window sticker. Here's where you plug in your winch controller. You can run the winch from inside. Nicely done. Got some switches down here. The rear wiper, that's for the LEDs. Power windows, extending mirrors. Fully loaded. It's hard to come by these. Really cool truck. It's tuxedo black. It's got a little metallic in it. I'm probably missing some things, but very nice for 150,000 miles. You can't tell by looking at it for sure. It doesn't leak anything. It's been well serviced. Always taken care of. Give us a call, text, email. I know this is a long video, sorry. Just a lot to cover. Check out all the pictures too. Go ahead and subscribe. Check out our Instagram page at Rogers Motor Cars. Awesome rig right here. Very rarely come up for sale. Hope to hear from you soon. I'm real easy to deal with. Let's get something done on this one. Talk soon.